If you love mountain adventure, this is one of the biggest summer weekends in Colorado. The GoPro Mountain Games transform Vail into an outdoor playground packed with elite athletes, live music, and plenty of family fun. Now in its 24th year, the GoPro Mountain Games feature more than 35 competitions in 11 different disciplines, ranging from kayak to speed climbing. A fan favorite is the Trick Line Invitational, with pro athletes delivering some high-flying action. Another favorite is the North American Cup Series, with climbers racing side by side on identical routes of 20 handholds and 11 footholds. The athletes climb the 15-meter or 49-foot wall in under 10 seconds. One of the biggest crowd favorites is the Purina Pro Plan Dogtown. From the Pro Plan Dock Dogs to agility courses to speed retrieval competitions, these canine athletes steal the show in a doggone good time. The best part is the competitions are free to watch, so you can spend the day exploring Vail Village while catching world-class athletes along the way. Beyond the competitions, GoPro Mountain Games also includes vendors throughout the village, yoga events, kid activities, art installations, and live music all weekend long. If you can't make it up for GoPro Mountain Games, summer in Vail offers plenty more to explore. My favorites include walking or fishing along Gore Creek. It's free to visit the Betty Ford Alpine Gardens, which are the highest botanical gardens in the United States. They're also the only botanic gardens in North America dedicated solely to the preservation and conservation of alpine plant species. There's tons of nearby fun like Piney River Ranch, where you can enjoy lunch with a view, rent a canoe or paddleboard, or hike to Piney Creek Falls. And the food scene in Vail, well, let me tell you, it's delicious. The Vail Valley Foundation keeps the summer fun going long after GoPro Mountain Games wrap up. For evenings filled with music, head to the Gerald R. Ford Amphitheater to catch a performance in the AMP Summer Concert Series. And don't miss free nights of live music in the Bullet Hot Summer Nights Concert Series. There's also the internationally acclaimed Vail Dance Festival running July 31st to August 10th. It features some of the top dancers and companies in the world. Vail Dance Festival is exceptional artistry in the heart of the Colorado Rockies. To learn more about GoPro Mountain Games, check out mountaingames.com or the Mountain Games app. And for more on the concerts at Gerald R. Ford Amphitheater and the Vail Dance Festival, and to learn more about Vail Valley Foundation, you can visit vvf.org. See you in Vail this summer.